Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you about tenses. For today, I will teach you about continuous tense. In tenses, we are having three continuous tense. First one is present continuous tense, second one is past continuous tense, and third one is future continuous tense. I am starting from present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? Present continuous tense indicates an action that is going on in the present. Structure of present continuous tense is as follows: subject plus is rm plus v4 plus object. We will make sentence from this structure, and that is, he is playing cricket. They are going to Patna. Now, in present continuous tense, we have negative forms and interrogative forms. In negative form, the structure is subject plus is rm plus not plus v4 plus object. For making negative sentences in present continuous tense, we will put not after the auxiliary verb. In this sentence, auxiliary verb is, so he is not playing cricket. They are not going to Patna. Now, I am coming to interrogative sentence. For making interrogative sentence of present continuous tense, structure is rm plus subject plus v4 plus object. Now, example is he playing cricket? Are they going to Patna? For making interrogative sentence, we will put the auxiliary verb first, after that subject, then v4, then object. Now, come to past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense? Past continuous tense indicates an action that was going on in the past. The structure for past continuous tense is as follows: subject plus was were plus v4 plus object. And the example is, he was eating. You were dancing on the stage. In past continuous tense, we are also having negative forms and interrogative forms too. Structure of negative form of past continuous tense is subject plus was were plus not plus v4 plus object. Now, example is, he was not eating. You were not dancing on the stage. We will put not after the auxiliary verb to make negative sentence in past continuous tense. Now, we will come to interrogative forms. How we will make interrogative sentences of past continuous tense? The structure is, firstly, we will put auxiliary verb was were plus subject plus v4 plus object. Example is, was he eating? Were you dancing on the stage? Now come to future continuous tense. What is future continuous tense? Future continuous tense indicates an action that will be continuing in the future. The structure is subject plus will be shall be plus v4 plus object. Now example, she will be reading. They will be losing the match. We are also having negative forms and interrogative forms of future continuous tense. Now, how we will make negative sentences from future continuous tense? The structure is subject plus won't plus be plus v4 plus object. Example is, she won't be reading. They won't be losing the match. Now, how to make interrogative forms of sentence of future continuous tense? Structure is, firstly we will put auxiliary verb will plus subject plus be plus v4 plus object plus interrogative sign. Now, example is, will she be reading? Will they be losing the match? Now, here is one similarity in the three sentences. See, subject plus is rm plus v4 plus object. In past continuous tense, subject plus was verb plus v4 plus object. In future continuous tense, subject plus will be plus shall be plus v4 plus object. Now there is one similarity in the three sentences, that is we are using v4 verb, fourth form of verb. We are adding ing to the verb in all the three tenses in continuous tense. Only we have to remember the auxiliary verb. How to change to auxiliary verb? Is rm will be changed into was were in past continuous tense, and in future tense we will change it to will be, shall be. So there are a similarity in continuous tense. Now I think you all will remember and practice. Thank you.